Oh, hey, what's up? What's your name? Oh, my name's Jun Hwan. I'm in math studies. Oh, you're math studies. I'm in math studies too. Oh, cool. Let's teach them about quadratic models. Right. Right. So today we'll be talking about quadratic models in my videos. So we'll be going through quadratic equations through real-life examples, how to factor them, how to use them in a graph, and the requirements in the graph. And let's see how it goes. Let's begin. Oh, it's a banana! And a peeled one too. Oh, somebody ate it. Alright, so I wonder, what if you throw this banana peel up to the air, right? And it comes back down again. I wonder if the quadratic equation can determine the position of that. I think it can. So if the banana peel is thrown above the ground by, let's say, 3.5 meters with a velocity of 12 meters per second, when does it hit the ground? Let's figure that out. Alright, hey guys, we're back. So let's say the height starts, as I said a while ago, let's say the height starts at 3.5 meters. Well, it's this awkward sorry about that. And it travels upwards at 14 meters per second. And let's say the question gave you that the gravity pulls it down, changing its speed by about 5 meters per second. This is some physics stuff here. Now here, this equation is h equals 3 plus 14t minus 5t squared. If you want to figure out when the height is 0, if you want to figure out when the banana peel hits the ground, you gotta make the height 0. Here we are again, sorry. So what I did is I put the equation in the graphing calculator, and I am going to graph it right now to see the parabola. Okay. Boom. And this is the parabola right here. The standard form of the y-axis represents the height, and the x-axis represents the time that's taken in place. So let's so from this graph we gotta look for 4 points. Okay, the vertex, when y is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we can find when y is equal to 0. I mean x is equal to 0. What's happening? Come on. Is it frozen? What's up? Yo. Bro, not cool, man. Alright, sorry about that. We're back again. So as I was saying, you need 4 points on this graph. So let's figure that out right now. So when we table, right? This is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3.5. So that is the point when the banana peel is at 3.5 meters, right? Now we can find other points through using this second trace and 0. Go to left bound, left bound, right bound. Guess that's not an accurate guess. So it gives you an awkward number of negative 0.2 and y is equal to 0 right here. Now this doesn't make sense because you can't have a negative time when in this type of situation. You know, you can't rewind time, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's move on. So this data doesn't make sense. Now let's find the other point when y is equal to 0. Left bound, bam. Right bound, bam. Okay. Guess. Now this is a more reasonable data point where x is equal to 3. Now this is when the banana peel is at the ground level at 3 seconds, 3.3 3.0309506, but let's just say it's 3 seconds. Alright, so let's use, since we figured out the points in the parabola, let's figure out how to factor this equation by hand. Let's go. So let's move on from computer to my notebook right here. Ignore this. Alright, so we got negative 5t squared plus 14t plus 3.5. I'm sorry, this is pretty sketch, but I got no equipment to use right now, so let's just stick with this. Alright, so obviously this equation itself can't be solved through simple factoring where you put in brackets and do x, stuff like that. So we gotta use the equation of x equals negative b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that's the equation that you gotta use right there. Okay, so b is 14 and a is negative 5 and c is 3.5 in this equation, so let's put that in.
Alright, so there you have it. We just saw how to solve a quadratic equation, how to use in relation to real life example the banana peel. We also now know how to draw a parabola graph through TI calculator. We also solved the factoring together, although the factor value weren't that great. It shows that when x is equal and when y is equal to 0. So, thank you for watching.
Feeling that you want